Hello friends, welcome to Glint Pixel channel. Today I'm going to tell you that how you can design a custom logo in Adobe Photoshop. Normally people use some other softwares or tools for logo designing like CorelDRAW, Freehand, Adobe Illustrator. But today I'm going to tell you that how you can design logo in Photoshop. So let's start. Here I have a file menu. Press Ctrl N or new file. Now here we have a dialog box. Here we can see a few options regarding our document. First of all, it is asking for name. You can choose any. So for example, today I'm going to design a logo for Data Technologies. It is a random name, Data Technologies. You can write down your logo name. Here it is giving some options regarding our document size, that what is our purpose to design logo. It is giving some default Photoshop size, US paper, international paper, photo, web, mobile devices, film and video. I am going to select web. Now it has given us a random web size. Actually it is not a website size but regular document size. So it is good for our logo. Width is 800 pixels, height is 600 pixels, resolution is set to 72. I think we need to increase this resolution. If I say it should be 250. Color mode RGB, 8-bit. Background contents. If you select transparent, then there will be no background. If you select white, or you can select some random color by your choice. I am going to select white. Press OK. So here we have a new document. Now we are going to work on this document to create our logo. Here you can see a tool box on my left side. Here are some options. So we will be using a few tools from this toolbox. Well, the first one is move tool, and we need to use it again and again. Its short key is V. You can use short keys. Actually short keys help us to work faster. So first of all, I am going to write down my logo name here. Here is the type tool. Okay, click here. Now you can see that one layer has been created here. Let me off some unwanted boxes. Okay, let me write Data Technologies. Actually, as you can see that my typing is going to right from center. Here is the option center text, left line text and right line text. Okay, I am pressing left line text. Now we can change its color. You can double click, or you can select like this, then select color from here. I say it should be blue, something like this, and okay. Now the important thing is, actually we are very careful about our fonts, that what kind of font we are going to use in our logo. So as you can see that here we have a font list, a big font list. Might be you don't have such a big list in your computer. So if you need some font which is according to your logo idea, I'm going to tell you a website. You can write a font space in your Google. Here you can see a first link. Click it. Now here are some fonts you can see, but if you don't find your required font from the given list, you can search it out. For example, if I need a fancy font, so I can type here fancy, so it will give us a category of fancy fonts. If I write here wedding, it will give us a wedding type of fonts. You can see here more pages in his list. And if you need to download some font, you can click and download it. So for now we have already a fonts in my font list. There are many fonts, so I'm going to choose from my list. Okay, once I have clicked in my this drop down, and you can see that it is highlighted. Now I'm pressing my down arrow key. Okay, I'm searching out. Okay, Bahos 93. I like this font. Let me increase font. Either there are two ways to increase your font size. Select your font and type here. I have typed 18. Now you can see font is bigger than before. And there is another way. I am going to undo it. Just select your layer, press Ctrl T, and your cursor should be at the corner. Press Shift and Alt. Now you can see your font is, your layer, your object is increasing proportionally. And then just press enter. Okay, I'm removing the space. Select this. I'm going to change its color. I say it should be some different color, like this, green. Now it depends on you that what kind of color you like, but I will suggest that should be according to your theme, your idea, or your industry. You know that we are working for technology. You know that on social media and some technologies company use such kind of colors. Okay, now we need to design a icon for it. For example, where you can't use a full name of logo, like a fav icon or some display images, where we need to represent our logo icon, which will be our identity of our brand. Let me type here DT. Now we are going to create our icon. Again, press Ctrl T, increase its size like this, and press enter. I think we should change its font size. I'm trying to find more fonts. No. We can create a custom shape here, but as you know that for this we need too much time. Such kind of logos where we can create custom logos, custom icons here, but as you know that today I'm just going to tell you that how you can create a good logo in short time. So there are some fonts which help us to create a good logo icon. Okay, we'll see this one. It looks good. Now I'm going to change D color to blue and T color to like this, but it is not looking good. Let's change it. Okay. I'm going to create a circle like this, move it down. Now you can see our fonts color, fonts layer is down and this circle layer is up. Let's drag it down like this and select this your circle layer and press Control backspace. You can see that here we had orange color and it is now in background. Now I want to give a gradient color to this circle of blue and green. What I will do, I will double click on its layer, gradient. Here we have some custom gradient colors, but I'm some by default gradient color, but I'm going to create a custom gradient color. Select your this point. It is showing that black color is already filled, so I don't need black color. Click here, and then if you will drag your mouse, so you can see that it is giving us a pick tool, color pick tool. I'm clicking here, blue, press OK, then select this node, then select this and click here, green, OK, and we can change its direction. Actually, if I move this needle, you can see that our background direction is getting changed. Okay, that's fine. Press OK. Now you can see that red color is not looking good, and it is actually mixing with the background. Now select this one, select color and change it to white. Its size should be little smaller like this. Now select your circle, press this direct selection tool. When you will select this direct selection tool, it is giving some point of this circle. That means it is a shape, not an image. I am dragging this node little up. It is asking, are you sure? Yes, I am sure. Same I'm going to do this with this one. Like this, or we can move it down like this, like this, move it up and make little smaller. Move it up and make little smaller. We can give little shadow to DT. Double click here and here is drop shadow option. You can see here is a drop shadow. Increase it to point. It should be at 90 angle, and decrease the shadow to Okay, that's looking fine. Now if you want to give a caption to your logo, so for example, here is the rectangle tool. You can write it in box if you like. Right now you can see here fill color is white, stroke is none. I'm going to give it gray stroke, which should be 1 point. You can write your caption in this box, but if you think that you don't want to wrap up your caption, so your tagline, just remove it. Type here your caption. Caption goes here. You can see that I'm typing here, but my font is not visible. That's what I'm writing. You can select it, Ctrl A, and because your color is white and your background is white, that's why you can't see your writing. Press here and make it to gray. Press OK. Your tagline should be smaller than your logo. I'm going to decrease its size, and it should be easy to read. I'm going to change it to Open Sense. I like this one. You can make it more smaller. Select your both layers. In fact, you can select your all layers. You can see here all layers are selected, and then press align horizontal center. Now everything is in center. Now your this gap and this gap should be equal, but this area looks little empty. I'm going to create lines here. Actually it is a rectangle box. Its height should be 1 pixel and its fill should be gray. It is not prominent. Okay, like this. Let's make it 2 pixel. Okay, now just take its duplicate by pressing Alt key and Shift key to keep it straight. It should be aligned here and here. Just drag your grid. Another grid. Select this one and make it perfect. Okay, drag it to down. If you want that your grid should remain here, but it should be invisible for the time being, just press Ctrl H. It is hidden. Again press Ctrl H and it is visible. I'm going to add a little circles here. You can see. Take duplicate key and keep it here. Press all of your layers by dragging your mouse. Sometimes people make a mistake here that their auto select layer option is not checked, and because of this problem they are unable to select the required layer, and when they clear on its required particular layer, it doesn't work. So please make sure that this auto select option is checked. It will help you to select all layers in one go. Okay, now you can see our logo is ready. If you want to save it, just press Ctrl S, logo design. It is a folder of logo design. I'm going to save it here. Data technologies, save. Now if I need its JPG, press save as. Select JPG from this list, from this extension list, and press save. It is asking about the quality. It should be maximum 12. Okay, but if you need a transparent image of your logo, but currently as you can see that it is JPG image and there is a white background behind it. So if you want to save a transparent image, just hide your background layer from here, and now press save for web, Alt Shift Control S. So here's another dialog box. Here you can select PNG 24 for good quality. Here's your size. Just save. Now it will ask for the location where you want to save your logo. Same location, data technologies, save. Now let's move to our folder. Here's JPG and here's PNG. Double click on it. Now you can see that there is no background behind it. So your transparent logo is ready. So guys, if you think that it is helpful for you and you liked this tutorial and you want that I should create more this kind of tutorials for beginners and professional, such small tips, some design tips, how to design website, how to design mobile application, please subscribe my channel. And if you want to ask anything regarding design and front-end development like HTML, CSS, Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, mobile apps designs, so you can write your comment in comment box. I will reply to you. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you can press a bell icon to get notifications timely. Thank you very much to view my video. So bye.